At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, July 5, 2023, Mullen retains law firm for naked short selling investigation. Mullen's investigation into naked short selling has taken another step forward. Mullen Automotive has retained Christian Adder to assist with its naked short selling investigation. The company previously retained Share Intel to assist with the investigation. Mullen stock is down more than 95% so far this year. Mullen Automotive, Nasdaq MULN, stock opened in the green today after the electric vehicle company announced that it had retained Christian Adder, formerly known as Christian Levine Law Group, in partnership with Warshaw, Burstein, LLP as part of its investigation into alleged naked short selling. Mullen notes that Christian Adder has successfully prosecuted market manipulation schemes on behalf of clients in the past, which has resulted in the collection of millions of dollars. On April 28, Mullen announced that it was working with Shareholder Intelligence Services LLC to investigate potential market manipulation and illegal short selling. The decision to retain Share Intel was made due to extraordinary trading volume and evidence of unusually high levels of failure to deliver on short sales. Since our announcement on April 28, we have been actively investigating naked short selling, and we now have enough intel to have the law firm actively investigate and, where justified, take action against any market manipulators using naked short selling, spoofing or other illegal acts, said CEO David Mitchery. Mullen adds law firm to naked short selling investigation. The information obtained by Share Intel should be critical for Christian Adder to establish a case. Share Intel operates as an application service provider that helps public companies obtain, track and analyze trading information. The company uses Data Repository Information Link, Drill Down, its proprietary patent-pending web-based application, to manage its information collection. With its processes, Share Intel can track equity flows and identify any suspicious activity. Earlier this year, a Mullen shareholder created a petition urging Mullen to look into market manipulation of Mullen stock and to create a board-sponsored illegal trading task force. Today, the petition has over 10,000 signatures. Mullen has cited failure to deliver on short sales as one of the reasons for its investigation. Failure to deliver occurs when one party in a contract fails to deliver on their obligation. In the case of short sales, failure to deliver can occur when the short seller does not own all or any of the shares at the time of settlement, which results in a default. This default could possibly lead to the creation of phantom shares, which has a dilutive nature. David Mitchery shares new Mullen guidance. Mullen has released guidance for the remainder of the year and for 2024. Mullen Automotive has guided for 660 Class 1 vehicles and 930 Class 3 vehicles this year. In 2024, the company forecasts 368 Class 1 one-seaters, 11,000 Class 1 two-seaters, and 3,000 Class 3 vehicles. Mullen Automotive, led by CEO David Mitchery, has had a rough year. However, the company has noted that production of its Class 3 electric vehicles should begin this month. Mitchery seems to be confident in the production phase, as he recently provided guidance for this year and 2024. In an interview, Mitchery revealed guidance for 660 Class 1 vehicles and 930 Class 3 vehicles for 2023. Mitchery stated that the Class 1 vehicles will leave the factory, while the Class 3 vehicles will leave the factory to customers. Next year, Mitchery has guided for 368 Class 1 one-seaters, 11,000 Class 1 two-seaters, and 3,000 Class 3 vehicles. The one-seater will be designed for short delivery routes. It will likely be a small contributor to sales. Well, you get some companies that, really these vehicles are designed for less, mile delivery, and it's a one-person job, it's not a two-person job, so we took that into account, said Mitchery concerning the one-seater. David Mitchery shares new Mullen guidance. Mullen's two-seater seems to be the star of the show, as evidenced by its 11,000 unit guidance. Summing the guidance up gives us 1,590 vehicles for 2023 and 14,368 vehicles for 2024, an increase of 804%. With production of the Class 3 vehicle expected to begin this month, Mullen has a lot on its plate. The EV company previously announced that it had teamed up with NRTC Integration to assist with the production. This entails installation, integration, and robotic and automation systems. Mullen's facility in Tunica, Mississippi, has received upgrades in anticipation for production, in the form of increased staff, automated guided vehicles, and chassis assembly lines, among others. Additionally, the facility boasts 120,000 square feet of manufacturing space and sits on 100 acres of land. Following the start of production, deliveries are likely to begin in August and September. Successful deliveries would mean that Mullen would report positive revenue in the quarter ending September 30th. To date, Mullen has received $279 million in purchase orders from its Class 1 and 3 vehicles from Randy Marion Automotive Group. Mullen expects to receive initial revenues from the purchase order in August. Thanks for watching. Numerian Capital News. Please come back tomorrow for another stock news update. Thank you.